Want more connection? Start by connecting to your heart. So enjoy this essential oil heart-centered meditation for connection today. It's all about the heart chakra and deepening that connection with yourself, those around you, and to connect with your partner on a deeper level. I'm Krista with Flourish Yoga, your wellness lifestyle coach using Ayurveda and Essential Oils, sharing simple wellness tips for healthy daily habits. Meditation is a time for connecting to your deep wisdom and to connect with those around you. So this practice today is going to help when you feel alone and unsupported, when you help you feel more connected to your partner, to navigate those turbulent waters of being a parent, and simply just to connect and ground yourself before you connect with others. Helpful on all those counts. And when we add in an essential oil, it creates a deeper meditation experience. The oils help us to stay more present in the moment, and they also kind of raise your energetic vibration to clear away any energetic blocks or resistance that is keeping you from this deeper experience. So I've got a couple of favorite essential oils to share with you today, and there's lots that will do this. And also, if you stay to the end, I'll share with you how to get my whole favorite list, my favorite tip list. But here's a couple just to start with for our purposes today. The first one of this is cedarwood. So cedarwood is the oil of community, okay? So it helps us to kind of tap into that supportive power of the community and can help us to heal that aspect of the community as well if we're feeling disconnected. Geranium is the oil of love and trust. I love this one to connect with myself on that deeper level and to find that unconditional love for myself and for others. Marjoram is one that we don't typically think of as for meditation. It's more like a kitchen herb, but it is an oil that helps us to kind of remove those boundaries, right? Again, it's the oil of connection, right? On so many different levels, this can be helpful, but it is also connected to the lung organ, which releases grief and sadness, which can be part of those disconnections perhaps that we have. And then we have rose, right? The oil of divine love. So this one really helps me when I want to connect my heart to the actions that I'm doing. So the heart meridian runs from the heart all the way down to our hands. The hands are seen as that extension of the heart. They're how we express our love to others and the things that we do. And then I've picked one more for us, which is Aromatouch. This is a great one for this one. This one has the marjoram in it. It also has bergamot, so some self-love, some cypress, some flow, some really great things in it. It's kind of that spa oil, but it is a great one just to build your connection, to build your energy and those feelings around yourself. So pick your favorite one for that. I'm gonna go with geranium today. Okay, so grab that oil, and if you don't have essential oils, don't worry about it. I do have some links in the description if you want to check these out a little bit further for the next time you go through this. But I want you to still do these next few steps with me, because these next steps are not just about the oil, they actually activate our hand chakras, our palm chakras, and create that deeper connection. So it's all kind of part of the experience. So taking your oil, a couple drops in your hand, rubbing your hands together. As you rub your hands together, you're activating those palm chakras. So you want to do that, briskly a few times, feel that heat generating, and then breathe in. And just notice what you feel as you breathe in, that aroma, that scent. Or as you just kind of go within. I love when you cup your hands together, it's this action of going inside to begin this stillness process. So taking 3 deep breaths, just noticing that aroma, that scent, those memories, being present in this moment. And I'll invite you just to you get a little residue of that oil, if you've got that on, and place it on your heart chakra. If you don't have it on, just connect, just rub that place there, and then placing your hands over your heart for 3 deep breaths. Just feel that connection, that warmth of your heart, of your light. Good. And before we move into our meditation, we're going to begin by just opening up the heart space physically. So take your hands, clasp them around behind you, roll your shoulders back and down, and then lifting your arms up behind you. Take a couple deep breaths, just opening that space around the heart. Good. You can lift your arms up behind you, creating a bit more space there, just for a breath or two. Then as you release that, take your arms out wide, coming into what we call cowboy surrender. Cactus pose is another name for this, depending what part of the world you're from. And just find that level, so your elbows can be like parallel to your shoulders. If that's too intense, you can drop them down. Just find that place and just drawing them slightly back. Just opening through the heart. Feeling this is a great one for connecting from that heart center all along that meridian line out to your hands. Good, and then bringing your hands down to your thighs, taking the palms facing up. So as your palms are up, it just kind of creates this greater opening, this space across the heart center. Deep breath in and deep breath out. So gently close your eyes and connect to your breath, breathing in and breathing out. Following the movement, not changing, just noticing what it feels like today in this moment. You don't need to change your breath, just notice your breath. Breathing in and breathing out. I'll invite you just to feel into your heart center. Bring your awareness to your heart center. Just notice your breath going quietly in and out. Feel your heart rise and fall with that gentle movement of your lungs with your breath. I'll ask you to imagine that you can breathe right in from this place. Breathe in and out, almost like you have little gills or like a little mouth right there. Breathing in and out from this heart place. And imagine there's a small light inside your heart. Just see it glowing there. And with each breath, allowing this light to grow brighter. As you breathe in and breathe out, you feel this light expand from your heart center. Breathing in and out as the light expands until your whole body is bathed in this light. And when your whole body is filled with light, just breathe a few more times. A few expanding breaths, feeling that light surround you until there is room for another there beside you. Invite your special someone inside the circle with you. It can be your love, a friend, someone you know who needs love today. Or it can be yourself, past or future version of yourself. Just feel the warmth of your love nourishing both of you inside this circle of light. And imagine sitting quietly beside each other, basking in the glow of your heart light as you breathe in deeply and exhale completely. Just smile. Allow your love to nourish you both deeply and completely. When you've received your fill, when you're full of this special love and connection, imagine saying namaste to your special someone and know that the light in you truly sees the light in the other. You can gradually open your eyes, feeling peaceful, refreshed, and full of love. And just notice that deeper connection you have with another person. And how this deeper connection allows you to feel more grounded and secure in yourself. Wonderful. Now comment below if you enjoyed this, okay? And if you like, you can comment either who that special someone is that you invited into your circle today, who needed that extra love, or who you wanted that deeper connection with. Or comment below what essential oil spoke to you. Which one did you choose for your meditation experience today? I always love to hear that. And to get a list of those essential oils for love and connection, that's one little piece of my whole favorite essential oils meditation guide. So you can download that. There's a link in the description and in the comments below. And along with that list, that guide, you also get a few tips on helping to make meditation a daily habit and some guided meditations to make that easeful for you as well. So I love using the Ayurvedic essential oils to start a meditation practice, to get consistent with it, and to deepen that experience. It works on all three levels of that. And so the link for that guide is in the comments and the description for that. And if you enjoy this video, make sure just to like the video. That tells me on what to make more of, what kind of content that you're enjoying. If you are new to meditation and want to make this a daily habit, make sure you check out that 5 tips video that we have on our meditation playlist. That shows you how to use essential oils to make meditation, to kind of anchor in your meditation habit on a daily consistent basis. Super, super helpful what's going on in there. If you want to know more about essential oils beyond the meditation experience, you can check out that Ayurvedic essential oils playlist. And you can see all sorts of tips and tricks for using them in your whole wellness lifestyle. I also run a weekly class called Simple Wellness. You can join me on that, and we can connect to make a kind of a personal wellness plan for you as well. So check out those links in the description. There's all sorts of helpful things on there. But today I want you just to simply notice, after doing this meditation, what does it feel like to live your day from a more heart-centered place? Namaste.